Interesting this morning. Whenever I looked out the window at my truck, I had dew all over it. So I knew it was going to be a muggy morning when I stepped out the door. But even when I did, it was cool. It felt good, despite the fact that our temperature and our dew point are very close together, and that does mean a muggy start. So that's why we have the low-lying cloud coverage, maybe some fog out there, but for the most part, we're doing okay. Not the best look to the start of the day, but we are eventually going to see some sunshine, and the temperatures are going to warm up quite nicely. We do have a pretty good day on tap for Saturday. If you want to be outdoors, this is going to be the better of the two, because tomorrow there's a better chance for a few showers. Nothing on the max track, nothing expected, although some light drizzle, especially in the southeastern counties where some of that fog is set up, definitely not out of the question. Big cold front well to the north. It's eventually going to slide south. It's going to do its job. There will be some cooler air behind it, but it's a second cold front. And that one is a reinforcing shot of cool air, Canadian air. And that's the one that's going to make us feel a little bit more like March versus June. So here's your first one coming through overnight tonight. It will bring in a few showers. Don't expect much out of it. Secondary front dives south as we get into Monday, and that's why temperatures really cool down. Good news is there's some high pressure after it, so even with the cool, there's going to be some sunshine. And you'll get that Monday and Tuesday before the pattern starts changing again, a little bit more active going forward. So on the future track, you'll see some clouds building by the afternoon after we get rid of the cloud deck that's over us right now. One or two little isolated showers. Don't expect much out of them, but they will at least be popping up with some of the heating from today. Then overnight, there's your cold front. Doesn't look very impressive, and it's not going to be impressive. Remember, this front is getting to us early in the morning, so it doesn't have much to work with as far as instability, the heating. So that's why it's not really going to bring in too much for us, but there will be at least a few showers, thunder showers. Then by the afternoon of Sunday, we're still going to heat up enough to get a few of those bubbling cumulus. And yes, you will have an isolated shower or thunder shower, primarily south of the two southern parkways. I think that's the best chance that we get. But high pressure sets in. By Monday afternoon, we are in the sunshine, albeit quite a bit cooler. Look at this. 81 degrees for today, 78 for tomorrow, and then 70 on Monday. In fact, I had to struggle to put 70. I think we could be in the upper 60s for the afternoon high on Monday, but just to be safe, I think 70 is going to be a pretty round number for that afternoon. Few isolated showers or pop-ups today and tomorrow, but just sunny and unseasonably cool coming up for Monday. Look at the overnight low, 49 degrees. And then we even get a little cooler going into Tuesday morning as well. So kind of a divot, if you will, going right around normal, down to 70, and then back up to normal as we get into the middle of the week. Remember, the active weather also comes back into play towards Wednesday, Thursday, Friday time frame. So it's really just your Monday, Tuesday that are cooler, especially in the mornings, but then also calm and quiet in the afternoons. So for today, what you can expect, temperatures in the low 80s. It will be a warm afternoon. You will see some sunshine. You'll also see a few of those pop-ups, but very, very isolated, and don't expect much. It's more miss than hit for today. Overnight tonight, cold front comes through. You'll see a few passing showers, but still the chance is pretty low because of the fact that it doesn't have much to work with. Going into Sunday, afternoon pop-ups definitely possible. That's why that 40% gets put there. But then Monday and Tuesday, with all the high pressure, we get the sunshine back and temperatures, just that little divot, that little cool down for 70 going on Monday. Then we change the pattern. Middle of the week coming up, showers, thunder showers, especially getting into the end of the week, and temperatures will be right around normal. More news after the break.